Then, ano, it will be her best friend.
Yung wish na lang. I wish you all the best and syempre, all the love and happiness that you deserve.
Ayan, happy birthday, Via. Happy ka ba? Happy naman siya. Nabusog ka ba? Nabusog siya, okay. Yung regalo regalo sa'yo ni Tita Gizin, suotin mo palagi. I love you.
Hi Tia, happy birthday. May give this camera so I wanna capture any memories of your life. I wanna see you grow to be a beautiful girl. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Bia. Ito yung gift ko sa'yo. And bigyan lang kita ng Bible verse para sa birthday. Psalm 24, blessed beyond measure on your birthday. May He give you the desire of your heart and make all your plans succeed. I wish na maging mabait kang bata, may takot sa Diyos, at I wish for your good health and maging matalino at mabait na bata at mag-aral ng maayos yun. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Via. Itong gift ko ay for sure magagamit mo. And I have cash gift. And sana lahat ng pangarap mo, kung gusto mo mag-artista, sumali sa Miss You, and yun lang. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much.